For this Mythbusters Monday, let's talk email. You may have heard the saying from some in digital marketing that they think email marketing is dead. That is 100% not true. If you regularly use email to drip on prospects in your pipeline, you will actually see a correlation between the days that you send out emails and the days that your website gets the most website visitors. If you don't believe me, try it out, check your analytics and compare, and you won't be surprised when you see that the days that you send out emails linking to blog posts or articles that are back on your websites are going to be the same days that you see spikes in website traffic. So how can you use email marketing to convert more prospects? The first thing that you can do that's going to make a huge difference is to segment your list. So what I mean by that is don't just take everybody that's in your contact list and stick them all in one email marketing list. You should have different lists for different purposes. Maybe you have all of your clients on one list, but then underneath that, they're segmented into groups based on the type of client they are. So maybe you have those who are already retired versus those who are actively planning for retirement. Or maybe you have it based on those who you manage investments for versus those that you don't. They should be getting different messages based upon the type of client that they are. Additionally, you can separate your prospects into lists. So you might have a list of what we would call really warm leads, referrals that you've already spoken with, who just maybe aren't ready to get started just yet, people who've scheduled a meeting from your Calendly link and have booked a meeting with you, and you've spoken to in the past that you want to continue to stay in front of. And then you have a list of colder leads. Maybe it's somebody who connected with you on LinkedIn and you got their email address from LinkedIn, or you met them at an event and you exchanged business cards, but you never really did a full conversation about your financial planning services. So segmenting your list into different list segments is going to make a huge difference in being able to create very specific messages for each group. And by doing that, you're going to see a huge ROI, right? Because if a message is much more particular and specific to me, I'm going to be much more likely to engage with that message. The second thing you absolutely want to make sure you're doing is use an email service provider. So that would be something like MailChimp or Constant Contact. We really love MailChimp at 20/10. They're really easy to integrate with your 20/10 website. You can set up lists and segments very easily, and they come with so many different templates. You don't need to be a designer or coder to create, and you can just populate your information right in. So those are two quick and easy tips for you to use to really make the most of email marketing. We'll have more tips for you in the future, but also on the blog, we have tons of articles and resources for you all about email marketing. So make sure to check those out as well, and check back next week when we bust another myth.